All right, guys, I have my two sons here with me, two younger sons. This is going to be the part that I ordered off of Amazon. It's right here. It's going to replace this old part that's broken. Excuse me. Let me hold it my leg. It's going to go ahead and do it like that. So that's where it's going to go. It's going to be a replacement of that. And before I open the package, I'm going to go ahead and check the last four of the model number on here. SIW0 on this one. Check the model number and matching up. And if you could tell, the model number is S, Ida, William, Ocean, or 0. So we're good to go. Excuse the dirty clothes. I'm going to pass it over to my middle son. And he's going to go ahead and hold it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the bit that fits in there, because it's not like a Phillips or a flathead. It's like a four-sided bit. Luckily, I had a lot of bits, so I was able to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the reverse direction. Put it inside and go ahead and take it out. Okay. It's not a very big screw. It's a pretty small screw. So we're going to do the other one. Hold the top. Go on the bottom. Fairly easy change. Not very difficult at all. Same size screw, as you can tell. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this older one. I was just checking to see if it has some kind of model number specifically for this, and I don't see it does. So I'm going to take the new latch from this right here. And while I'm doing this, I just located something on this washer. If anybody could put down in the comments what this is. If you guys can see this right here, hopefully my son has it on here. It's like a twist knob. When it has a lock and unlock symbol. And when you twist to unlock it, it pops out. So if anybody in the comments can tell me what that's for, I'm not really sure what that's for unless, oh, you know what? You know what that's for? I just realized, guys, what that's for is so that your clothes don't mildew. Or no, I'm sorry, not your clothes. So the inside of your washer doesn't mildew. That's enables you to crack the door open so that it doesn't so that you don't trap the moisture in there creating mildew. I just realized that. So put it down in the comments if you guys agree with me or disagree or whatever. I might be wrong, but I think that's what we're gonna use it for, because we always leave our door open so that the water doesn't mildew inside. So yeah, and I'll be right back after this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, and we had it on reverse. Now we're gonna put it on, we want the screw to go forward. We have the screws already fed through the hole. And so we're gonna go ahead and do it at an angle so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So again, it's not that hard. It's just, you don't wanna do it too much. You just wanna just make it snug. And I don't know if you guys remember, but before, the washer would not close and seal and we couldn't use it. So let's do the first test. We're gonna get this on video. Hopefully my son is following it, and it's going in, and it close it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Maybe that's not working. That's weird. Why is it not working? That's not good. Uh-oh. Let me see. Hold on. I was having trouble locking. So we're going to have to buy another mechanism, because when I press the start button, as you can tell, watch the lock button kind of appear and saying that it will not lock. So the mechanism that I took out before. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy that piece as well. So we won't be washing our clothes tonight. Oh man, that sucks. But we will have to buy the mechanism and be able to wash our clothes then. All right, see you later. Okay, guys, so the piece that we needed was actually in here, which we had to use some a Phillips head screwdriver to unhook that. It's a gray mechanism that goes in here what is that called? That's called, I just forgot the name of it. But anyway, so that piece goes into here. We needed we actually needed this piece and not the brand new that. Oh yeah, we needed both actually. We needed that piece and that piece. So I bought both of them, installed them, and now it works better. So I'm gonna have my son go ahead and close it, and we're gonna go ahead and start. So go ahead and close it. Okay. And wait. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna pause it so while we put the detergent in. All right, so we put the detergent in. I'm gonna have my son turn the washer on. And remember, put it to normal. Let's press cycles until it says normal. Until you get to normal. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and watch as my son starts the washer. Go ahead. And remember, the lock symbol didn't stay on there before. But that's because that the water's filling. And so now we're good to go, y'all. Okay? Any questions? Holla at your boy, James Backward.